Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're gonna be trying out reverse eyeliner. It's in trend right now. It's actually been something I really wanted to do ever since I received this beautiful jewelry set from Jodi Box. This is their oxidized jewelry, and I'll be showing you their necklace in just a little bit. And I thought, why not try it out now with you guys? So today we're gonna be trying out two different techniques. One that I would typically do if I were to create this look, and the other one something I learned here on YouTube. So I'm super excited to try it out with you guys. And remember, if you haven't already done so, make sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know the next time I upload. And without further ado, let's get started. So for the first technique, you're gonna need a coal black eyeliner. I'm using the Huda Beauty Lifeliner, using the coal side. And you want an eyeliner that's going to be easy for you to smudge, but afterwards it could stay put. So that's why I'm going with this one. And you're also going to be wanting a small smudger brush. This one is by Morphe. It's their M408 brush. So you want to take your kohl pencil and run it along your lower lash line, like so. Just on the outside and not in your waterline just yet. You're gonna put all the way to your inner corner, like this. And before it dries, you wanna be kind of quick and go ahead and smudge it out, especially with this eyeliner right here. So once we got that lower lash line done, we're gonna work on the wing. And so you're gonna take your kohl liner and start from the edge of the outer part of your eye and just make a little baby wing or a little line that's going up, as if you had an imaginary line going up towards your temple. The key here is that you want to keep the top part clean, but the bottom part smudged out. So I just made a little baby wing, and I'm going to smudge out the line, and I'm going to be extending it as I smudge. Just going to go back in, just to the outer corner over here, where I felt like I lost some intensity in the color. Just, oh my god, she broke on me! Can you see that? Well, we're going to keep this little piece safe, because she was expensive. Anyways, let's try this again. Oh yeah, this part's super creamy. I think we just broke up the dry part. Oh yes, this was the black I was looking for. So I think I'm happy with the way this smudge is looking and my little baby wing. And so now the final step is to take your liner and just tight line and color in your waterline as well. Do you guys notice the bandage? It's because my cuticles are ripping. I don't know what to do, so it looks pretty nasty and it hurts. Do you guys go through this too? I usually don't deal with dry hands, but this happens occasionally. And then the top. This is how eye 1 is looking like with technique 1. I really like it, it's really controlled and precise. And now we're gonna try technique 2, which I have never tried before. I've actually learned it here on YouTube from a YouTube creator called Smitha. She is super talented. She's also a hooded eye sister, so I can totally relate to a lot of her content. So if you are too, you might want to check her out. So we are going to be trying out her technique on how to create the reverse eyeliner. And so to create her reverse eyeliner look, we will be needing some tape, a Q-tip, some black eyeshadow. I'll be using this one from ColourPop. And our kohl liner, which I'll be using the Huda Beauty Lifeliner again. So I am going off of memory from what I saw in her tutorial, but I remember she took, I think she took a smaller piece of tape. Let me try that again, guys. And she stuck it to the back of her hand to remove some of the stickiness. And then she placed the tape on the top of her lid to help create that sharp liner look that we got on this side, where the top is clean and the bottom smudged. So the tape is just going to help make sure that your top edge is going to be nice and clean. So I'm just trying to make sure that the angles are going to be somewhat similar. I think that's okay. And we're going to saturate the Q-tip. So she just dragged this across her eyes and she just went over the tape. I think this is a really cool method because you can get a really nice effortless smudge without having to work so hard. As I'm doing this, it's giving me like little flashbacks of dance makeup, as you put your eyeliner super dark underneath your eyes. So far, I don't see any fallout, which is amazing. I feel like the angle is gonna be a little bit off on my wing, so we're just gonna have to excuse that. You know, wings are sisters, just like how eyebrows are sisters too, right? Now, moment of truth, let's peel off that tape. Oh yeah, we definitely got a really nice straight edge. I'm gonna try to see if I can fix the angle a little bit. That is my fault for not positioning the tape properly. I hope I don't ruin it now. Okay, there. I think that's gonna be the closest we get to, and I don't really wanna mess it up. And now, the next step is to take our kohl liner and to line the waterline and tight line the top lash line as well. And she also connected a little bit of the top with the wing, so there's some continuity. Alrighty, and so this is pretty much technique 2, and she also did mascara and lashes, which we'll be doing in a second. But just initial thoughts, I think it's really nice, and especially if you feel like you have trouble like having control over your products and where they might be going, this is such a great technique. And if you feel like you struggle with blending, again, a very nice technique to use that's pretty foolproof. The only thing is I feel like this side, the black, is a lot more intense because we actually use the liner here and smudge it out, versus here we use the eyeshadow. So that just might be because I didn't use a black and eyeshadow perhaps. But I'd actually go back with my liner just to darken up that area, so not just this. Alright, so there it is. I just deepened it up a little bit, and guys, I actually really like the way this looks. This is so different. I usually always avoid wearing black eyeliner on my lower lash line because I have smaller eyes, and you know, it always tends to close it off, but this really sultry look, like even without mascara lashes, I really like the way it looks. I'm actually not gonna go in with falsies. I really like the way that it looks with just mascara because it doesn't take away from our bottom lash line, which I think is important for this look. And let me know which technique you try out from the 2 that we tried out today. I think both are easy to follow, so give it a try. I think you'll be as surprised as me to how much you actually like it on yourself. So now I'm gonna put on the rest of my jewelry and show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so here is the beautiful set that I received from Jodi Box. You definitely need to check them out because they have some really beautiful and unique pieces, like this oxidized set. I just feel like it's not too much, but it's also a beautiful statement. This nose piece is from Gems by Abby, if you are interested in checking her out as well on Instagram. And if you're curious to know what I'm wearing on my lips, I'm actually wearing these lip slicks by Fancy Faces, and this is in the color Forbidden Fruit, which is this beautiful orangey peachy color that when it's applied on your lips actually changes its hue slightly based on your body temperature. And they're super comfortable. They last on your lips for quite some time, and I just love the hint of color that really helps liven up a look. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed watching today's video, and if you're looking forward to more videos from me. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.